Arrive in style with this 2013 Chevrolet Silverado 3500HD. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are dual rear wheels, 4-wheel drive, tow hitch, power steering, ABS, 4-wheel disc brakes, steel wheels, tow hooks, automatic headlights and split bench seat. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned truck, this might be the one. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.